Welcome. My name is John Handel, and today I'll be introducing the Executive Project Leadership Architecture. The idea began while I was serving on the Executive Outreach Leadership Team of the PMI Chicagoland chapter. Our leadership forum was considering change management as a topic, which led me to examine why or how PMI was connecting organizational change, enterprise value, and the more mindset. As I studied the more mindset, I saw a central issue. A project can deliver exactly what the business case requires and still not produce the expected enterprise return. The reason is that project delivery and enterprise value realization are connected, but they are not the same responsibility. The project creates and demonstrates the capability. Operations must sustain and adopt it, and executive leadership must align it with strategy and convert it into enterprise performance. So the architecture addresses that gap in two ways. First, the executive governance gate expands the transition decision beyond project acceptance. It asks whether the capability is ready, whether operations can support and stabilize it, and whether executive leadership is prepared to sustain the conditions required for value realization. Second, integrated operational readiness gives the project a practical way to improve the transition. It involves operations early and uses production representative environment to validate processes and support responsibilities and build operational competence before cutover. This can accelerate enterprise value, but it does not make the project manager accountable for the enterprise return on investment. The other two organization, operation and executive leadership, have to achieve a return on investment. It's solely out of the control of the project manager at that point. So let's go over the learning objectives. So explain the relationship between project success, operational success, and enterprise success. And we'll apply PMI's more mindset from an executive leadership perspective. And we'll distinguish the responsibilities of executive leadership, project leadership, and operational leadership. We'll evaluate operational readiness before governance transition. And we'll differentiate operational success from enterprise success. And we'll apply the executive governance gate review model to improve organizational outcomes. That's the core of this architecture, is the executive governance gate. And we'll explain why executive leadership extends beyond project completion. And we'll understand the relationship between capability, delivery, and value realization. And we'll apply the three levels of organizational success to current projects. So that ends the introduction. And the next section will answer this question of why do technically successful projects sometimes fail to produce lasting organizational success. So thank you for listening, and I hope to see you on the next section. So have a good day.